Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Word Hub. Are you ready to challenge your grammar skills like never before? In this video, we've put together some of the most advanced fill-in-the-blank grammar questions, just like the ones asked in competitive exams and aptitude tests. Test your knowledge, choose the correct answer, and see how well you really know English grammar. Let's dive in. If she more attentive during the presentation, she would have understood the instructions better. A was. B were. C had been. D has been. The manager demanded that every employee on time regardless of the weather conditions. A arrives. B arrived. C arriving. D arrive. Not only the documents, but he also submitted them ahead of the deadline. A. He has completed. B. Has he completed? C. He completed. D. Did he completed? By the time she retires, she in the company for over 30 years. A will have worked. B has worked. C is working. D would work. Scarcely the meeting begun when the fire alarm went off. A had. B has. C have. D was. Each of the candidates required to submit two reference letters. A are. B have been. C is. D were. No sooner the announcement made than the students began to cheer. A has. B had. C have. D was. The committee, along with the chairperson, planning the annual conference. A are. B is. C were. D have. The more he practiced, the he became at solving complex puzzles. A most quick. B quicker. C more quickly. D much quickly. Were he to accept the offer, it a major shift in company policy. A indicates. B would indicate. C indicated. D has indicated. Comment your answer. Great job on taking the time to challenge yourself with this quiz. Your effort to improve your grammar truly counts. Keep going, you're doing amazing. If you'd like an explanation for any of the answers, feel free to ask in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this quiz, don't stop here. Check out our other grammar and vocabulary quiz videos on the channel. They're fun, challenging, and perfect for sharpening your English skills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you in the next video.